Three-letter words. Rhyming words. The word family of
it, bit,
bit, small piece or amount, to grip or chew. For example, he bit into the juicy apple. She took a bit of the cake. A set of stainless steel drill bits. The horse's bit was made of metal. A little bit of sugar sweetens the tea.
fit,
Fit, suitable or appropriate, to be of the right size. For example, the shoes fit properly. This wedding dress fits me well. She's fit to run the race tomorrow. He's trying to get fit for the marathon. The puzzle pieces fit together perfectly.
hit,
Hit, to strike forcefully, a successful attack. For example, she is going to hit the billiard balls. The song became a hit overnight. The dart hit the target with precision. Lightning and a tornado hit the village. The woman hits the man's face in boxing training.
kit,
Kit, a set of items, equipment or tools for a specific purpose. For example, the nail technician's nail kit. The first aid kit was stocked with supplies. I always keep my essentials in my backpack kit. The repair kit had everything needed to fix the bike. The dressmaker uses a sewing kit to craft dresses.
lit,
Lit, illuminated, past tense of light. For example, the room was lit by candles. She lit the fire to keep warm. The street lamps lit up the road. Candles are lit at the wedding party. The stage was brightly lit for the performance.
knit,
Knit, louse egg, sticks to animal fur or human hair. For example, don't ignore nits in hair. Check hair for nits regularly. Nits hatch into lice eventually. Use special shampoo to kill nits. The new shampoo claims to kill both lice and nits.
pit,
Pit, a large hole in the ground, the stone of a fruit. For example, the colorful ball pit is at the playground. The pit was filled with water after the rain. Kids love building sand castles in the sand pit. Remove the small plum pits. Carefully discard the peach pits. He planted the avocado pit to grow a tree.
sit,
Sit, to be in a seated position, to occupy a place. For example, she likes to sit by the window. They sit in the garden and chat. The cat likes to sit on the armchair. He'll sit quietly and wait for his turn. She loves sitting on the bench, admiring nature.
tit,
Tit, a small insectivorous songbird of the family parody. For example, the tit perched on a branch. The tit pecked at a caterpillar. The great tit is a commonly seen bird species. The blue tit displays vibrant colors on its feathers. Tit also refers to a woman's breast.
wit,
Wit, the ability to use words cleverly and humorously. For example, he's known for his wit and sarcasm. She has a quick wit and a sharp tongue. She admired his wit and clever wordplay. His wit made him popular among his peers. The comedian's wit kept the audience laughing.
zit,
Sit, a small pimple or blemish on the skin. For example, how to get rid of zits. She squeezed the zit on her face. Zits are a big trouble for teenagers. Stress often causes zits to appear. When I was a teenager, I also had trouble with zits. The word family of
it, bit, fit, hit, kit, lit, knit, pit, sit, tit, wit, zit.